newspaper was brought to my home this morning by the newspaper boy. The milk packets were dropped in front of my door by the milkman. It was so hot last night, the fan was not working in the bedroom. You know who repaired it? The electrician. Thank God for the maid who came and cleaned the house. How about you guys? Are there people who come and help you in your neighborhood? There are so many people who do so many things and who help us in our communities. Let's take a look at a few people who do different things and help us. The doctor helps us get better if we are sick or injured. The police is no stranger to us. They keep us safe and try to stop crime. The farmer grows fruits, vegetables, cereals like rice, which are taken as food by all of us. Do you know who makes these tables, chairs and cupboards from wood? The carpenter. The barber cuts our hair. It is amazing to know how there are different people who help us by doing different things. Have a look at some more pictures and identify these people and see if you can find out what job they do. Some of these jobs need special training and education. The people who get this training and use their skills to do the work, they are called professionals. What comes to your mind when you hear the word professional? Doctors, engineers, lawyers, teachers, to name a few. There are many more professionals. Cobblers, carpenters, and people who do that kind of work need special skills. They may or may not be educated. They get their skills by observing and from experience. No matter what work you do, the important thing is this, that we don't look down on anyone because of the work they do. We must be thankful to all the people who do different things and help us in our communities. Talking about being thankful, here is an interesting activity you can do one of these days. Make a list of all the people who help you and your family. See if you can find a way to show appreciation to them by doing something nice. You can discuss with your parents and find out something creative that you can do to show how thankful you are to them. Some of you may be wondering, oh, I'm just a little kid. This is all for grown-ups. You know what? You don't need to wait till you're grown up to do some of these things. You can work and help your family right at your home. There are different things that you can do to help share the work in your family. Can I suggest a few things that you could do right away? These are some of the things you can do to help share work at home. You can arrange your toys once you finish playing with them. You can learn to fold your clothes and put it in your cupboards. You can learn to set the table before meals. You can help in the kitchen and also learn to cook a couple of easy dishes. If you have a garden or some plants, you can water them and take care of them. You see, even if you're not grown up, some of these things you can do even now. I suggest that you do these things and surprise your dad and mom. Now, some people say that girls are not equal to boys. They say girls cannot do all the boys' stuff like driving and constructing a building or being in the police. And they say boys cannot do some things like cooking, tailoring, and other things. But we know that's not true. When given equal opportunities, both boys and girls do very well. We have so many girls, so many women who have done excellently in their areas of work right in our country. They have done well and they are famous. Can you identify these people? Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams in the area of space research. What about Shushmita Sen and Aishwarya Rai and others in the entertainment industry? We have world famous sports personalities like PV Sindhu, Mary Kom, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal. For those who think that girls can't drive or be in the police, have you heard of Subhangi Swarup? She is the first woman pilot for the Indian Navy. Cooking and all, boys can't do. That's what some people say. Sanjeev Kapoor is one of the famous chefs in our country. In fact, most of the famous chefs are men. So, don't let anyone convince you that you cannot be this person or you cannot do this thing. You have the freedom and the ability to be who you want to be. You can find this lesson, Various Occupation, in your Learning Ladders Term 1 book from page numbers 121 to 127. Take time to read the lesson and do the activities. Answer the questions at the end of this lesson. You've learnt about different jobs that different people do. I want to end this lesson by asking you a question. What do you want to become when you grow up? Think about it. Talk to your parents and write it down in your notebooks. That's all for today. Bye-bye.